The Nespresso Vertuo flashing orange twice indicates that the machine requires cleaning. To resolve this issue, start by unplugging the device and manually cleaning it. This involves opening the head of the Nespresso to remove any capsules. Then wiping away coffee grounds in the Nespresso head with a clean towel. Next, remove the water tank from the machine and rinse it with running water from the sink before refilling it with fresh, cold water and returning it to the unit. Additionally, clean the cup support and the capsule container. Place a container with 34 ounces of water under the coffee spout. Put the Nespresso head back in position and plug in the machine. It will begin blinking. Once the blinking stops, initiate the cleaning process by pressing the cleaning button 3 times, which will start the water flowing and begin the approximately 7-minute cleaning cycle. Upon completion, a steady green light will indicate that the problem is resolved and the machine is ready to brew.